Hi everybody, today we're going to talk about applications using the law of cosines. As a reminder, for a triangle with sides A, B, and C, and opposite angles A, B, and C respectively, we have three equations for the law of cosines. We have that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times the cosine of c, b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of b, and a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of a. Our first example says a surveyor locates the corner of a building and a fire hydrant. The distance from the surveyor to the building is 504 feet. The distance from the surveyor to the fire hydrant is 322 feet. If the angle between the building and the fire hydrant is 47 degrees from the perspective of the surveyor, find the distance between the building and the fire hydrant. Turning this into a triangle, we can see we have side, angle, side. The side we are looking for is across from the angle that we know. This is a perfect application of the law of cosines. We'll call the missing side d. We'll have that d squared is equal to 504 squared plus 322 squared minus 2 times 504 times 322 times the cosine of 47. Before you put this in your calculator, make sure that your mode is on degrees. This gives us that d squared is 136,339.7. We need to take the square root to find our value of d, which is 369.24 feet. Our second problem says a small plane traveling between two islands flies straight for 30 minutes. Then it makes a 62-degree turn and travels for an additional 45 minutes. If the plane is flying at a constant speed of 275 miles per hour, how far is the plane from its starting point? Our first step is to draw in a triangle. To find the initial distance for the 30 minutes of travel, we multiply 275 miles per hour times half an hour, which is 137.5 miles. We find our second distance by multiplying 275 miles per hour times 0.75 hours, which is 206.25 miles. To find our angle, let's draw in a vertical line and think about the 62-degree turn that the plane took. Our included angle for our triangle will be supplementary to the 62 degrees. That says our angle is 180 minus 62, which is 118 degrees. Now that we have our side, angle, side, we can use the law of cosines to find the distance. D squared is 137.5 squared plus 206.25 squared minus 2 times 137.5 times 206.25 times the cosine of 118. That simplifies to 88,073.1527. When we take the square root, we get 296.77 miles.